Today we are going to learn how to check internet speed without any software. Let us start. Right-click on Taskbar, and then left-click on Task Manager. Now click on Performance. Here you see Wi-Fi speed. Press double-click on this portion to change the window view. You can resize it to use as internet speed meter. Just press double-click to regain previous window view. Here you can also see Ethernet speed, disk, RAM memory and CPU performance. Here, S indicate upload speed, and R indicate download speed. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel.